Hey guys, Joe Smith here. Any of you play Guess That Tool? The Tool guys. Over this past weekend, Joe Smith featured a tool from this kit here. It's a B tool. There are different hose clamp pliers for fuel lines, oil, water, etc. Of course, there's the one that Joe Smith featured. Here's another one. Oh. Here's one that's in reach. Has a cable, and then it hooks on down there. You squeeze it in a clamp. So if you gotta reach down lower to grab a clamp or something, that'll help you reach it. But Joe Smith has just got these in over the weekend. You found them off Joe Smith here, got them off Amazon. So but now you guys know a little bit more about more tools that are out there that you probably didn't know about, except for Dano. He's already got one of these kits. Dano's a pretty smart fellow, pretty cool guy too. So shout outs to Dano's Toolbox. He's a pretty cool guy. So any of you watching that don't subscribe to him or watch his videos, should go check out Dano's Toolbox and make yourself another buddy or that. He's a really nice guy too, Joe Smith, and supports Joe Smith's video, and Joe Smith likes to watch Daniel's videos too. So thank you everyone for watching. Joe Smith signing out.